Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create Apollo.io contact on FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I'm a seller on FlexiFunnels and here my objective is that whenever a new purchase is made in my FlexiFunnels account, then automatically I want to add the customer as a new contact in my Apollo.io account so that I can further communicate with the customer. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my FlexiFunnels account with my Apollo.io account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So I use FlexiFunnels to sell my products and Apollo.io to manage my sales prospects. So it's important for me to track and engage with every buyer effectively. So by automatically creating a contact in Apollo.io whenever someone makes a purchase on FlexiFunnels, I can keep my sales process seamless and organized. This automation ensures I don't miss any opportunities to build a stronger relationship with my customers, follow up with personalized offers or upsell relevant products. It saves me time and helps me focus on growing my business instead of manually managing the customer data. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my FlexiFunnels with my Apollo.io account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Apollo.io contact on FlexiFunnels purchase. And now I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen, you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels as I'm selling my product on FlexiFunnels. So FlexiFunnels is an easy to use platform for creating sales funnels and landing pages without needing any coding skills. People use it to build high converting pages for selling product, service or capturing leads. With drag and drop functionality, templates and built-in payment option, FlexiFunnels simplifies the process of launching online sales campaigns. It's perfect for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to boost sales and grow their online presence efficiently. So here in my FlexiFunnels trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new purchase so that whenever a new purchase is going to be made in our FlexiFunnels account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL and here I've already logged in my FlexiFunnels account. So this is my FlexiFunnels account and these are the products that I'm selling through FlexiFunnels. So here in this particular automation, I'm going to set up automation for this particular product which is named as web camera. So for that, I'm going to click on this edit option given over here, and from here I'm going to click on this set rules given over here. And now here under set rules for the product, I'm going to click on this add set product rules, and then here it is asking me some details. So here for the when condition, I'm going to select the condition as product is purchased and for all pricing options. And then here it is asking me for the use. So here I'm going to select the use as webbook, and now here after selecting the webbook, it is asking me to give a name to my webbook. So here I'm going to give the name as new purchase. And then here for the webbook URL, I need to enter the webbook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webbook URL, and now I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we have successfully added the new webbook URL in our FlexiFunnels account. That means we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webbook response. That means here to receive a webbook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, I need to make a test purchase of that product in my FlexiFunnels account. So here let me take you to the sales page of that product. So this is the sales page of that product, and now I'm going to click on this buy now given over here. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytuts.com. Here I'm going to enter random phone number. Here I'm going to enter the address as 789 XYZ, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh, and here I'm going to select the country as India. Scrolling little down, here you can see the order summary, and here I'm going to make a test payment. So for that, I'm going to enter the test card number. Here I'm going to enter the month, a random year, random CVC, and a zip code. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see it says thank you for your purchase. That means we have successfully made a test purchase in our FlexiFunnels account. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here where we have received the state. Here you can see the sales page URL and the ID. Here you can see the product title, product ID, price. Scrolling little down. Here you can see the phone number of a customer. Here you can see the last name, first name, order ID, email, date and time, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new purchase in our FlexiFunnels, I want to add the customer as a new contact in my Apollo.io account. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Apollo.io. So Apollo.io is a platform that helps businesses find and connect with potential customers. It offers tools for sales prospecting, email outreach, and managing leads all in one place. People use Apollo.io to quickly find contact details, send personalized emails, and track their sales progress. It's popular because it saves time and makes reaching the right people easier, helping businesses grow and close deals faster. So here in my Apollo.io action step, I'm going to select my action event task, create a contact, so that whenever a new purchase is going to be made in our FlexiFunnels, then automatically the customer is going to add as the new contact in my Apollo.io account. And now here to connect my Apollo with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Apollo account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API key. So here in the help text, it says you can get API key from here. So here you can see a hyperlink attached. So here I'm going to click it over here. And here you can see by clicking on it, it has directly taken me to the API window of my Apollo.io account. So here it has directed me to the API window of my Apollo.io account because here I was already logged in my Apollo.io account. So here you can see the option of API keys we have received over here. And from here, I'm going to create a new API key over here. And here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is new purchase. And then I'm going to click on this create API key. So this is the API key that we have generated. So I'm going to copy it. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter the API key. Now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward. And then here it is asking me to enter the first name, last name, organization name, email, and some other details. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new purchase through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically the previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the first name over here. So this is my customer's first name, so I'm going to map it. Here I'm going to search for the last name. This is my customer's last name. Here for the organization name, I'm going to map the product name that I have received. So this is the product name. Moving forward, here for the email, I'm going to map the email, and here this title is not required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the contact stage, I'm going to select the stage as approaching, and then here it is asking me for the website URL. So here this field is not required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the address, I'm going to map the address. So this is the address and this is the city. So now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the contact ID. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Apollo.io account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy user, and here you can see the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to make another test purchase in our FlexiFunnels account. And for that, let me take you back to my sales page. So this is my sales page, and I'm going to click on this buy now again. And again, here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as Lead, email as smart@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter random phone number, and then I'm going to enter the address as 890 ABC. Here I'm going to enter the city as Ajmer, state as Rajasthan, and here I'm going to select the country as India. Scrolling little down, here you can see the order summary, and here I'm going to make a test payment by entering a test card number, random month, random year, random CVC, and a zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a new purchase over here. So now let's go and check our Apollo account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name Smart Lead and the email as smart@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Okay, so now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as FlexiFunnels and our action as Apollo, so that whenever we're going to receive a new purchase through our FlexiFunnels account, then automatically the customer is going to add as a new contact in our Apollo.io account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create a Apollo.io contact on FlexiFunnels purchase. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.